Good day, everyone. So today I'm here in front of you to discuss our discussions today. Our discussions today is all about the life cycle. So before that, my name is Janice Ramirez Abertuda. So I'm your teacher today. So class, are you ready? So first we define what is the life cycle. So what is the life cycle? Life cycle is a series of changes in the life of an organism, including reproduction. Others animals, like a frog, go through a process called metamorphosis. What is metamorphosis? Metamorphosis is a big word that means changing one, from, I mean, from one form into another. These animals look very different as a baby than their parents do. Frog are amphibians. Amphibians means they can live in water and on land. They go through several stages of life before they become adult frogs. And during those stages, they live only in water. Frog have five stages: the egg, the tadpole, froglet, young frog, and adult frog. The first stage of a life cycle of a frog is the egg. An egg, a frog begins life as an fertilized egg. A female frog lays 4,000 of the eggs at the one time in the pan. The eggs float on water in the jelly mist of or cluster. The egg will soon hatch into tadpole. The second stage of the life cycle of frog is tadpole. When the tadpole hatches, it looks like more like a fish than a frog. It doesn't have any legs. It has gills that allow it to breathe underwater. The tadpole swim, eat plants and algae from water, and so let's move on to the stage 3, the froglet. During this time, the tadpole starts to develop lungs, so it will be able to breathe out of the water when it becomes a frog. The tadpole also start to grow two hind legs. At this point, the tadpoles can now be considered a froglet. A froglet can live around instead of only swim. Although the froglet, it started to look a little more like a frog, it's but it still have a very long tail. The stage 4 is the young frog. The tadpole grows two front legs, and there are front legs and back legs, and also a long tail, because it's not completely an adult frog. And the last stage is an adult frog. And this time, the frog is an adult na. So the frog's tails will eventually disappear completely, and it will start to eat insect instead of plants from water. Therefore, in natural population, the frog may live for maximum 5 years. Thank you for the listening. I hope you can learn something about our discussions about the life cycle of a frog. And bye bye and have a nice day and keep safe everyone, and God bless us all.